Hello guys and welcome to this another tutorial from how to make an app in Android Studio. So now in this tutorial I will show you a super exciting thing, the image view. It is good designing item. So in the last video we create this edit text and set up with the button. Here is the code. Basic code, so nothing so exciting. But now we will make an image view. So here I will search for image view like this and get the image view right here. Okay, perfect. And now I will get this IC launcher. I can get the background like this, but now okay, foreground. And we have an IC launcher with the image view. We can set a static value for image view because it's not important to have these non-static values. So I set it for 200 dp, and the first also for 200 dp like this. Perfect. So now we have an image view. I will center it right here and I will make it to the center of the view, so it will looks good like this. Perfect. Now it's okay, and I think I can make it this and more or less like this. Super. Now it looks great. And what we can do with this image view, I think image view is perfect. Now we change the ID. You can make the ID right here. So an image view. Okay, yes, refactor, and we go to split view right here. See the okay source compact. Okay, we should make this ignore. It's important for this. But now we have an ID and we can connect it with our main activity.java. So it's basic and image view and image, and right here I will connect it. Image is equal to find view by ID r.id dot image view. Perfect. So now we have our image view, but what can we do with the image view? We can set some things. So I will delete this source compat, and now I can set it from the Java. So I can set that image dot set image resource right here, and r dot, and here we have drawable. So r dot drawable dot and whatever here is. So I can set the image resource as IC launcher foreground, and also set the background. So image dot set background resource r dot drawable dot IC, so background, like that. So now when I launch my application on my mobile phone, I can see that it programmatically change. Yes, and it's perfectly running. So our image view has this IC image resource for a foreground and this background resource for the background. But now we can do something like, we can set when here is an error, we can set the drawable as an error, and where is successful, we can set it as successful. So how to do it? How to do that? It's I think very simple when you have some own images. But when you haven't got some images, you can create it in Android Studio. So go to file, yes, file, new, here, and vector assets. Perfect. And now click here and search for an icon you want. So I will error right here. Okay, so perfect error, and I can name it, so I see error, and make it white here. Okay, so we have an white error, and next, and finish. Okay, so you can see in the drawable we have an error now, and what are going to do, it's basic. So now I will, in the error statement, I will get image dot set image resource r dot drawable dot error right here, and for the background I can set some color, set image set the background, and r dot color dot, and whatever color we want, but we haven't got a super red color, so I will make a red color. In the colors I will get this white and make a red color. It's basic, only change this to red, and this value right here you can change to red value. So now, okay, this is perfect red. So in main activity I will only the r.color.red. Perfect. Now when we run an application, it pop up with this IC launcher foreground and launcher background, but when we click the hello world, in the input is nothing. It will change basically to IC launcher, to red color, and the error icon. But now we want something to make when it's successful, so I will copy that and paste it here, and in the file section set new and the vector asset, and here set sucks. Okay, it's not but thick. Okay, I will search for an good asset. It's not important, but this is a check, it's good. And I see check. Okay, next, and finish. I will turn this into a check, and the red color I will make another color, and this color will be green, and okay, and make a green color. Perfect. It's a green color, but I think okay, this is an hex value for the green color, red, white, and and a dark. So you should know the basics colors, but it's you can do it also in this window, but it's better to know it. Okay, and here I will, in the color section, I will paste the green color, and now when we run our application, everything will be fine. And now when it's errored, we will do this section, and when it's not erroring, so I can something type and hello world, and it will be green checked. Yeah, and for image views it's basic that they are static, so they haven't got any ID or something like that, because you don't want to change it. But for this example it was good. So this is everything you should know about the image view. It is super cool, and in the next tutorial I will learn something about the layouts, over the constraint layout and relative layout. So stay excited and bye bye.